Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida, and we are doing a buyer's agent video tour of a listing provided courtesy of and with permission. This video with Engel and Volkers. Shane Odom is the listing agent here, and
let's go in.
So how many bedrooms we got here, Alice?
We got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3 stories.
Oh, 333.
Really cute. You have a master and a main, in addition to the open concept living kitchen. I love that.
Everything looks like it's been recently renovated.
Looks like we have a quartz countertop here and all stainless steel appliances. Really nice with backsplash, and check into your bathroom to the one downstairs bedroom. Hello there. That's cute. The pool is right outside of your door.
Oh, hey, that's cool. Got a walk-in closet here. As I trip over Alice's segue to the pool. Pretty cool. This pool looks like it's shared with 4 other units here. And got a space for your grill out here.
You mean 3 others?
What is this one here?
Yeah,
3 others. 4 total here. Shall we go upstairs?
Go on.
All right.
Overall, it looks like in pretty good shape. You know, the carpet has seen better days, but I would probably upgrade to vinyl if possible. So I have 1 bedroom on each side.
I'm going to go to the left first at the top of the stairs. If you hear me huffing and puffing, it's because I'm not used to stairs.
I think this might be considered a master because it looks like it's the big one with a king size bed.
And the bathroom. Got a closet right here. And you can actually see the gulf from inside this room, whether it's through these windows, the door, or you actually got a deck out here. This is a synthetic, what do you call that board, Alice?
Oh, for the life of me, I'm not gonna remember the name. But look at there. You can see the waves scratching.
Nice. And some of the sand. That's
Yes.
cool.
That's a nice
I'm going to
view.
try and zoom in on it here for you guys real quick. Oh, don't you love the professional thumb? Yeah, there you go.
I will trim those palm trees a little bit more so we'll get a better view. But overall, I'm loving it. It's nice. The exterior of the walls are hardy board, so that's good.
Yep.
Doors look new, great condition. I love that they have the built-in blinds.
We need one of those. All right, let's go up to the top level here. So we got a small bunk area on the 3rd level.
Can put the kiddos up here. Or
it's a great natural lit room with all these windows up here. And then with this door leading on to your 3rd level observation deck.
oh wow. Yep.
Can see even more of the sand here.
Yeah, and that property there up front belongs to the community across the street. So I don't think that they will be willing to sell that.
Oh, the little gazebo.
Right. That is a sweet view. I love it.
Yeah, I'm holding it at like eye level. I'm 5'5". Let's see if you were like 6 feet tall. There's your view.
All right, you guys. If you like to know more information or for us to make any videos of any property for you, just leave a comment down below and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.
Yep, so if you're interested in purchasing this property, give us a call too. We'll see you guys on the next one.
All right.
Bye.
Bye for now.